But you can't blame me for trying. You know I'd be lying saying you're the one. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're obviously filming this gorgeous look today. I thought I would do something Valentine's themed, you know, February, Valentine's Day, pink, red, it's everything Valentine's Day. So today is a more glam Valentine's Day look, but I do have a more simple Valentine's Day look coming soon, so be watching out for that. But I filmed this more glammy pink and red and gold Valentine's Day look. If you guys want to know how to do it, then I hope I did it well enough for you to learn, because I'm a really bad teacher. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, let's get on into it. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Morphe 35B palette, and we're gonna mix in this color and this color with a fluffy blending brush. And we're just gonna use that as a transition shade basically and blend all above our crease. Now we're going to take a smaller blending brush and we're going to go in with the color Venetian Red. And we're just going to go right into our crease with that color and blend it out. So now we're going to go in with the same brush and go in with this brighter pink here from the Morphe palette. And we're just going to go right over top of that to brighten up the color just a little bit more. Now we're going to go back with the fluffy blending brush, and without any extra product, we're just going to blend out and make sure there's no harsh lines. Now we're going to go back in with this color right here and just revive some of the pink that we've lost in the process of blending. And I'm just doing this very lightly, nothing harsh. I don't want to mess up the blending I've just done. Okay, and here goes the fun part, I guess. So what I'm going to be doing to brighten up the red that I'm about to put onto my eyelid is I'm going to take this Milani lipstick in the shade Matte Iconic. It's number 68. And I'm just going to take this lipstick applicator and grab some of that product. And I'm just going to apply that right onto my eyelid. And this is just going to act as a base for the red. I'm going to go back in with this Morphe blending brush and the color Venetian Red. And I'm just going to make sure that the eyeshadow and the lipstick are blended and there's nothing harsh. And I'm going to go back in with the bright pink and just further blend that out. I'm going to take a smaller, more tapered brush, and I'm going to take the shade Red Ochre. And I'm just going to use that on my outer corner to darken up. And we're kind of doing a halo eye with this. So we're going to darken up our outer corner and our inner corner. And then finally we're going to go in with this red shade right here. And I'm just going to apply that to the center of my eyelid. Alright, then we're just going to go back in with the fluffy brush and just blend the top out again. Once you feel that everything's blended completely, we're going to go ahead and move on to the eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I will be using this Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Smoky Storm. So I'm going to take this really thin eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use that and just start applying it as I would my normal eyeliner. I love this sparkly eyeliner. So glad I went for sparkly. It's gorgeous. Okay, so now we're just gonna finish up the lower lash line. And I'm gonna use this smudge brush as usual, and I'm just gonna go in with red ochre and smudge that along the outer part of my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take Venetian red and smudge that along the rest of my waterline. Alright, now we're gonna move on to lashes. So I'm just gonna apply my Tarte Lights Camera Flashes mascara. Alright, so I applied that to my lower lashes as well. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my Ardell Double Wispies False Lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, and I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and we're going to use the shade Summer. And I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner, and then I'm also going to apply it to my brow bone. And now for my lips, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Ashton. And that is it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you're ready to go out into the world and slay. You can do this for Valentine's Day, or you can just do it on a day that you're feeling, you know, sparkly. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you want to see more Valentine's videos, please subscribe, because please, and make sure you click the little bell so you can get notifications when I post, even though I haven't been a little lately, but I will be, so you're gonna want to know when I do. That is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of the month, and I will see you soon.